welcome back to my channel. I have got a very straightforward, simple recipe where you can put it in the oven and then forget about it and get on with your work. I am making a very delicious whole chicken with vegetables. So I've got the oven preheating. It's preheating at 180C fan or 200C normal oven, and I'm going to start by prepping the chicken. Before that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get cooking. So here is whole chicken. If you've been watching my recipes, you will know that I like spatchcocked chicken more than whole chicken. So you can use whole chicken without spatchcocking it, but spatchcock just opens the bottom up and helps kind of cook it quicker. I find it kind of takes the flavor better as well. So yeah, that's why I prefer to spatchcock the chicken. So this is a nice big chicken. What I am going to do now is going to put this on a tray straight away. And then I'm going to put the spices and the oil. I am going to start with the oil. And I have got here 2 tablespoons of olive oil on here. I have measured it for you guys. Then I'm going to get 1 teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle it generously. Now I am using Tajin style spice mix. And I'll tell you what's in it. Oh, smells so good. 3 teaspoons is basically 1 tablespoon of spice mix. Then I've got chili powder, and I'm just going to rub this on, and this is going to go in the oven at the moment for 15 minutes, and then I'll tell you what to do. Okay, so that chicken is in the oven. I must put the timer on for 15 minutes. About the spice blend, I know I said it Tajin because that's what the spelling says, but I think it's, please correct me if I'm wrong because I am not used to this. This is a Mexican spice blend. This is inspired by that, and I think it's Tajin, pronounced Tajin. Anyways, it's very refreshing. It's got, I need my glasses, paprika, it's got chilies, ancho chilies, it's got more paprika, red bell pepper powder, it's got some oregano, and originally I think the spice mix should have some dried lemon, and I thought, I've been desperate to try this. I've had this jar sitting in my cupboard for so long. It smells very refreshing, which is perfect for summer. And all those people who have been complaining about sunshine in my videos, there you have it, all cloudy. Happy now? But if you don't have this, there are options. You could use tandoori masala, make it Indian style. You could just use black pepper and salt, or you could use a more Middle Eastern Bharat style. So yes, if you don't have this, then you can try others. But if you want to try this, then go for it. That's my speech on Tajin over. Till the time, I've got 15 minutes to kind of get my vegetables ready while the chicken is cooking. I have got here 2 red onions. Yes, you can use red and white, either, but if you have red, then I would say go for red, because in this particular dish red will be nicer. So I'm going to get 2 onions ready, and I have got 2 peppers. I'm going to prep those, and then I've just got a 8 to 10 smallish tomatoes that will go into. I just want to show you what kind of shape I'm going to cut them in. Basically a little chunky pieces. And I've got here 1 whole garlic bulb, which I'm not going to peel or chop. I am just going to half it. With the 2 peppers, just going to get chunks of these, no wasting. So just like chunks. So they all kind of take similar time to roast. None of this needs like full-on cooking. It just needs good roasting. And with the tomatoes, I'm just going to halve them. Okay guys, so all of this is now prepped. Just going to wait for the 15 minutes to get over. Oh, can you hear the sizzling? Okay, what I'm going to do now is pick this up, put this on the wire, then all the tomatoes go in here. And just place 2 of these in the middle. Right, now just a teaspoon of olive oil on top, because we already have the spices in there. I'm not putting any salt in here because we've got enough salt in the chicken. I am, however, putting 1 teaspoon of the tajin. That's it! Got it right. Just sprinkling on top, and then this bad boy goes on top. Just moving it to the center. And you know what's going to do? It's going to cook, and then all the juices from the chicken are going to fall on top of the... Oh my God, I was just going to touch it. Oh! And now it's cooked for 15 minutes. It needs another good half an hour at 200 C, same temperature. So I'm going to get that in. That's it, and leave this for half an hour. Okay, this is looking so good. The kitchen is smelling so good. I can't wait. There's 5 minutes left on the timer, and that would be a total of 45 minutes for the chicken, 15 minutes on its own and half an hour with the veggies. Look at that. I think it's travesty, but Sia wants chips with this meal. This meal, she wants frozen chips. So I'm not done with the dish yet, but this is just for Sia. I'm not eating it, Sia. You can have it, but don't do it, guys. Gonna get this chicken off on a tray. There we go. Now, can I show you the gorgeousness? Yes. Oh, beautiful. And I'm not done yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take just the vegetables, leave the juices in there. And this, you can squeeze out the garlic, or you can just leave it in the tray and people can do it for themselves. Now, the reason I didn't take the juices out is I am going to get both the hobs on. You can do it on one hob too, but both hobs on. I'm going to add some water to this. So I'm adding 200 ml of boiling water to this, and that's going to help me get all the flavor out, maybe 100 more. It's got the juices from the chicken, from the vegetables, and now I am going to add some plain flour to make it in, slightly thicken it up. Couple of tablespoons of plain flour. This is going to take a little while to dissolve this, but it will happen, don't worry. And this chicken water is going to go into the gravy sauce, whatever, and whatever chicken pieces you can find. This is the beautiful tajin gravy ready with little chicken pieces. And I've got to finish this with fresh coriander. It's screaming for coriander right now. Four of us are going to eat this, so I can take a bite from the food. That spice blend is amazing. It's insanely delicious. It's so refreshing. It's got so much vibrancy in it and lightness in it, other than like how I love tandoori masala, but it's such got a different flavor combination to this. The juicy tomatoes, gravy that we've made in the end brings it all together. I really hope you're going to try this. This is so protein rich, healthy. It's not quick, obviously, but it's so delicious. It's easy, very easy. Just putting things and putting it in the oven. Absolutely beautiful. Let me know your thoughts. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you back in another new recipe soon. Bye for now.